here. Find the value of the letter A and B. Here two letters are there. One is A and another letter is B. Okay. A and letter B. The value you have to find out. Clear? So now first one here. B plus 7. B plus 7. We get answer A. So you have to find the value of the letter B and A. Clear? So now similarly, if you add A plus 3, we get answer 6. Clear? We get answer 6. So now B, first one you see, B plus 7 should get answer A. Should get answer A. Can you find B and letter A value? The letter A and B you have to find out. So now you have to think. So here we get one answer, A answer. That answer, the same value must write in this A place. Clear? The A should get the same value. Clear? So now see here you should get answer 6. Correct? You should get answer 6. Now we consider like this. If you consider B value is 1, so what happens? We will check. If you consider B is 1, so 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7 will get answer 8. Clear? 1 plus 7 will get answer 8. So now here value of A we got 8. Correct? The value of letter A we got 8. The B we consider 1. So whether this is possible or not, we check. So B is 1 and A is 8. The answer 8. See here, A answer we got 8. Same answer you must write here. In place of A we got 8. So now we'll check in place of A if you write 8. 8 plus 3, can you get 6? 8 plus 3, can you get 6? No. So we cannot get answer 6. So value of B1 is not possible. Clear? So now again you have to consider the value of the letter B is 2. Okay? The letter B value is 2. So 2 plus 7 will get 9. So 2 plus, if you write here 2 plus 7 will get answer here 9. Correct? So next in place of A, what value you write? 9. Correct? Here A value we got 9. So 9 plus 3, can you get 6? No. 9 plus 3 will not get answer 6. So value of B is equal to is not possible. Clear? So next you have to think, if you write 3, what happens? See, 3 plus 7 will get 10. Correct? 3 if you write here, 3 plus 7 will get 10. 10 means you will get here 0. Right? Correct? So next you have to add 1. Correct? Remaining 1 you will add next step. Correct? Now 1 plus 0, A we got 0. So 1 plus 0 will get 1. 1 plus 3 will get 4. Is it 6? No. So value of B is equal to 3, also not possible. Next you have to think like this. So if you consider 5, 4, 5. 4 if you add, what will get? 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 will get 11. Correct? So remaining 1 you must add in this step. So 1 plus A value will get 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So we will not get the 6. Maybe next value. What is that A value? What is the value of B? If you consider B is equal to 5. So if you consider B is equal to 5. So say B is 5. 5 plus 7. B plus 7 should get answer A. So B value is 5. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 will get 5 plus 7 will get answer 12. Okay? 5 plus 7 we get answer 12. So here A value is what? A value is 2. Clear? A value is 2. Clear? A value is 2. So in place of A, to write the value, A is equal to 2. 2 plus 1. Here remaining 1 we add in the next step. So A is 2. Then in place of A again you must write 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3 will get answer 6. So the value of B is 5 and value of A is 2. Clear? So value of B is 5. What is the value of A? A is 2. So I proceed. If you write B is 5. 5 plus 7 plus 7 we get 12. So A value we got 2. Correct? 12 means remaining one we will add in the next step. Correct? So plus here it is 3. So what is value of A? We got A is 2. So same value should write in place of A, right? A is 2, right? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 means you get a 6. Correct? Answer 62. A is here, correct? 6, right? What is A? A is a 2. So therefore the value of the letter A is 2 and B is a. Therefore the value of the letter A is equal to 2 and B is a 5. Clear? So this is the answer to this question. Clear? Yes, thank you. Okay, so your next question is find the value of the letter A and B and one more is C. Clear? So you have to find the value of the letters. So in this letters are given A, B and C. Clear? So here symbol is multiplication. So you have to multiply by 3 into AB. Multiply by 3 into AB. The answer you must get CAB. Should get answer CAB. So now you have to find out which value we can give to B and A. Clear? So now first we have to multiply by 3 into B. 3 into B, the answer you must get B. Answer also should get a same B answer. B value should get 3 into B, answer will get B. So now if you multiply B into 3, B into 3 should get answer B. Means if you consider the value of B is 0, first we consider step by step. First we consider 0. 0 into 3. If you consider the value of B is a 0. 0 into 3 we get answer 0. So B if you consider 0, here also B answer will get same. So 0 into 3, 0 into 3 is a 0. So B is 0, here also B value we got 0. So this is correct. Answer B value is 0. Correct. Now again you have to multiply 3 into A. See the question 3 into A. If you multiply 3 into A, the answer you must get A. Clear? Same answer should get. It is A, but you have to get 2 digit. 2 digit number you have to get. Clear? So one more your value is C. Given value is C. So now multiply 3 into A. The answer you must get A. So multiply A into 3 should get answer C A. 2 digit number. Clear? Now 3 into 1 you get a 3 into 1 you get, if you consider A value is 0. First we consider 0. 3 zeros are. Consider 3 into 0 we get a 0. Is it possible? A 0, here also A value is 0. But we have to get 2 digit number. What is the value of C? We don't know, isn't it? We cannot get here C value. If you multiply by 0, we get only 1 digit, 0. A is correct 0, but what is the value of C then? So we will not get any value to C. So this is A is equal to 0 is not possible. You must get 2 digit number. C value of C also we want, right? So we get 2 digit number. So now consider any other number. For example, if you multiply if you consider A is equal to, what happens? 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Can I get 6 here? No. A is 2. Then here also A should get 2 only, right? Not 6. So A is equal to 2 is not possible. So you can think like this. See, 5 5s will get 25. Next, if you multiply by 3, 3 5s are 15. Correct? 3 into 5, 15. So value of A is 5. The value of A is 5. If you write 5 in place of A, 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. So value of A is 5. Here also value of A is 5. So what is the value of C? C is 1. Clear? So A into 3 is equal to CA. So 3 5s are 3 into 5. We get 15. A is 5. Here also A is 5. So this is a correct answer. Correct? So now we will see. Therefore, the B value is 0. Therefore, B is 0. Then what is A? A is equal to A is 5. Then C value is 1. So C is equal to 1. So A is 5, B is 0, and C is 1. Clear? So if you want, you can verify. Write A, B. A we considered 5. B is 0 into 3. So multiply now. 3 zeros are 0. 3 fives are 15. Correct? So C, A, B. C is 1 and A is 5 and B is 0. Clear? C is 1 and A is 5 and B is 0. Correct? So this is a solution for this question. Now we solve sixth question. See your sixth question is AB into 5. The answer you should get 6AB. CAB. Clear? So if you multiply AB into 5, you get answer CAB. So in this question, the letters are A, B, and C. Now first multiply B into 5. B into 5. Same answer you should get B. Okay? If you multiply by 5 into B, or you can write B into 5, the answer you should get B only. So what value we can do? Now very simple, 0 into 5, we get 0. The value of B is 0. Then here also we got value of B is 0. Same answer you should get, right? So now 0 into 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of B is 0. The value of letter B is 0. Now you have to find the value of the letter A and C. Clear? Now multiply 5 into A should get 5 into A or A into 5. Okay? Multiply A into 5. If you multiply by 5 into A, we get answer CA. Okay? CA. Now multiply 5 into 3. 5 3s are 5 3s are 15, correct? 5 3s are 15. If you write here 3, what happens? The answer we get here 15. But value of A we got here 5 and value of A is here 3. Is it possible? No. This is not possible. Now you have to consider the other number. Whether A is equal to, you consider A is equal to 5. What happens? See, 5 5s are we get 25. Correct? So last value we get 5. So now you have to write the value of letter A is 5. So now write, multiply 5 5s are 25. Correct? 5 5s are 25. So what is the value of A? A we consider 5. Then what is C? C is 2. Then A value we got here 5. Correct? So A is 5. Here A is 5. Then value of the letter C is 2. So we got answer 25. Correct? So now we can write therefore A value is A is 5. What is the value of B? B is 0. So C value is 2. Yeah, C value is 2. If you want, you can verify your answer. So I'll write your AD. What is A? A is 5. B is 0 into 5. The answer we must get CAB. So multiply 5 into 0, 0. 5 5s are 25. So what is the answer? 250. Correct? So this is B. Right? B. And middle one is A. And this is the C. So A value is 5, B value is 0, and C value is 2. Clear? So this is the solution for this question. Thank you. Okay, next question. You have to find the value of the letter A and B. In this question, two letters are given. One letter is A, another letter is B. So these values you have to find out. Clear? So now first multiply AB into 6. If you multiply AB into 6, should get answer B, B, and B. Clear? So should get, if you get value of B is 2, then here also you must get 2. Here also you must get 2. Same values multiply by AB into 6. So first multiply B into 6. Okay? See, you can think like this. B into 6. If you multiply B into 6, should get answer B. Okay? Then for example, if you consider B value is 0. If you consider B value is 0, what happens? 0 into 6, 0 into 6, 0. But is it the next step you should get B answer is 0. Same answer you should get, right? So if I consider B value 0, what happens? See now, B is 0 into 6, 0 into 6, 0. Then here also you should get 0, 0. Okay, now what value we can give it to A? 6 into A. 6, if you write 0, A also 0. When 6, 0, 0. Can you get this 0? Is there any other number to multiply by 6? No. But here you must get 2-digit number. Of multiplying 6 into A should get answer 2 digits. The 2 digits means B. Same answer you must get. Clear? So now is it value of A? If you write 0, can you get 2 zeros? Can you get 2 values? No. See, 0 into 6 into 0, we get 0. Not one value of one more B. Correct? So this is not possible. B is equal to 0. Then next answer also must get 0. So this is not possible. Clear? The B is equal to 0 is not possible. Next you can consider, if you consider B is equal to 1. If you consider B is equal to 1, what happens you can check? This is not possible. Why? Because 1 into 6 will get 6. Here we got B value is 1. Then you should get B value is 1 only, right? So but here we are getting 1 into 6, 6. So this also not possible. B is equal to 1 also not possible. Clear? So next you can consider the value 2. If you consider B value is 2, 2 into 6, 2 6 12. So this is this value is correct. Why? Because see B answer 2, then here also B answer we got 2. But remaining 1 you have to add in the next step. Clear? That also you have to check. Now 6 2s are 12. So value of B we consider 2. Then we can get last answer B. Can you get the same answer? You have to check now. Listen, B is we considered 2. So into 6. Then can you get the answer B? Same answer. We'll check now. 6 2s are 12. Correct? The remaining 1 we have to add in the next step. Now, what value we can give it to A? So we should get answer B is 0. Sorry, B is 2. B here we got 2. The next step also in next B also we should get 2 answer. 2 values 2. Now can you get answer B is 2? We'll check. A if you consider 1. If you consider A value is 1, what happens? 1 into 6. If you consider A is 1. 1 into 6, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. See, 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 will get 7. Is it possible? No, this is not possible. So if you give, for example, if you give A value is 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 will get 13. So this is also not possible because we should get same answers, not 1 2 3. Clear? Should get, if you get 2 here, you also 2 3 means 3. Why? Because answer is B. Correct? So now the value of B is equal to 2 is not possible. Because see, if you consider here 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 we get 7. It's not possible. So next again, 6 if you consider the value of A is 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 will get 30. That is also not possible. Now it's 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. So we cannot get 2. Correct? So now next the value of B, if you consider see, if you consider B value is 3. 3 6 are 18. That is not possible. Next 4. We'll check 4. 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. 4. Last value also we got 4, correct? So B value is a 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. So B value we considered here 4. Now we check whether this is possible or not. We considered 4 into 6. The answer we must get B and B, correct? B. Now multiply and see. 6 4s are 24, correct? 6 4s are 24. Remaining 2 you must add in the next step. So 6 into A. So what value we can give it to A? Answer should get here 4. Okay. For example, if you consider 6 value, A value is 2. 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2. Yes, correct. 12 plus 2 will get 14. Now here the value of B we got 4, but in the next last digit, last value is B. Whether that answer is 4? No. Here we got answer 1. So is it possible? If you consider A value is 2, see 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2 we get 14. So this is also not possible. Here B value we got 4, but in next B we got 1. So that value also must get 4 on it. Here, so this is not possible. Next, if you consider, say 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 will get 20. That is also not possible. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2 will get 26. Not possible. 6 5s are 30. It's not possible. 6 6 are 36 plus 2 38. No, should get 4, right? 4 should get. Now 6 7s are, this is okay. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 2 will get 44. Correct? If you write in place of A is 7, see, you can check. If you write 7 in place of A, 6 7s are 42. 42 plus remaining 2 you must add. Clear? 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 2 you get 44. So 444. See B. Answer we got same. Correct? So the value of A is 7 and B value is 4. Here B is 4 and A is 7. If you want you can verify like this. AB into 6. A we considered 7 and B is 4 into 6 should get answer B